One of my favorite items that I like to prep for the week is these turkey meatballs. I make them a couple different ways, either like a spicy Italian meatball or these really good spinach feta ones that I do in my Greek bowls. But I like to prep these ahead of time for the week. That way I have a grab and go source of protein. And I'm gonna show you how I make these Greek feta spinach ones. Okay, we're gonna saute the spinach. So I just do about half of this bag. While that cooks, I'm gonna make the meatballs. So I already have a pound of ground turkey in here. We're gonna add an egg. Adding a third a cup of crumbled feta cheese. This is the fat-free one from Trader Joe's, but I'm also gonna add some of the regular one. Breadcrumbs are optional, but I'm gonna add a third a cup of these panko breadcrumbs as well. I honestly just eyeball. Some salt. Add the spinach. I give this a good mix. All right, now we're just gonna roll them out into little turkey meatballs, about this size. All right, these are done. They're gonna bake for 16 minutes. Okay, they're all done. They look delicious. I just checked the internal temperature and they're cooked. I love putting these in like Greek power bowls or even on top of a salad. They're super easy to make, very high in protein, and perfect for your week. Enjoy.